Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you all today. How are you doing today, Charles?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I just finished my morning coffee and I feel ready for a great day. What about you?
Oh, I'm great. I have already walked my dog today. He was so happy to go outside this morning.
That sounds like a wonderful morning. You know, I have already answered a bunch of emails today. It feels good to get things done early.
It really does. Hey, did you hear how we just talked about our morning? We said, I have walked my dog, and I have answered emails.
Yeah, exactly. We're using a really useful English pattern today. It's called the present perfect, and it is wonderful for talking about your day.
Totally. It sounds like a big grammar name, but don't worry, friends. It is actually very simple to use in daily life.
Absolutely. We use it when we talk about things we have done today or things that are already finished. You just use have and an action word.
Right. Like earlier, I said, I have walked my dog. The day is not over yet, but that action is finished.
Yes, and it connects our past actions to right now. For example, I can say, I have eaten breakfast. That means I am not hungry anymore.
I know, right? It is so useful when you talk to your friends or family after work. You can tell them all the little things you have done.
For sure. And to all our wonderful learners listening today, remember to take it step by step. You don't need to memorize big rules.
That is such a good reminder, Charles. Just listen to how we use it today. Believe in yourself, because you can learn this.
Let's try some everyday examples. Rachel, think about a normal, busy workday. What is something you often say to a coworker?
Let me think. Oh, I often ask, have you seen my keys? I lose them all the time.
Oh, yeah, me too. And if I found them on the table, I would say, yes, I have seen them. That is a perfect example.
Exactly. See? We use this pattern all day long. What is another common one you use at home, Charles?
Well, when I finish cleaning the kitchen, I tell my wife, I have washed the dishes. It feels so good to say that.
Oh, totally. Finishing chores is the best feeling. I like to say, I have cleaned the living room. It makes the house feel so nice.
It really does. And notice how we use regular words that end in ed. Walked, washed, cleaned, and answered.
Right. Regular words are so nice and easy for us. But sometimes the action word changes a little bit, like when you said seen earlier.
Yes, exactly. Like the word make. We don't say maked. We say, I have made my bed this morning.
I love that one. Making your bed starts the day off right. And what about food? We talk about food all the time.
Oh, absolutely. Instead of eat, we say eaten. So I can ask you, Rachel, have you eaten lunch yet?
And I can answer, yes, I have eaten a delicious sandwich. Or if I am still hungry, I can say, no, I have not eaten yet.
Perfect. Adding the word yet is super common when we talk about our day. It just means up until now.
Yeah, like, I have not finished my work yet. It means I am still working on it right now.
Exactly. And friends, if you make a mistake with these words, please do not worry. Never give up just because a word is irregular.
Totally agree. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Speaking is about sharing your feelings and your day, not being perfect.
That is so true. Just opening your mouth and trying is a huge success. You were doing great just by listening to us today.
Yes, and speaking of doing great, if you are enjoying our conversation today, please take a quick second to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Absolutely. And share this episode with a friend who is learning English with you. It really helps us grow our little English family.
For sure. We also love hearing from you. Leave us a comment below and tell us, what is one thing you have done today?
Oh, I love that question. You can write, I have drank coffee, or I have studied English. Try using the pattern in the comments.
We can't wait to read them. Now, Charles, let's talk about using small words like already and just. I use those so much.
Oh yeah, they add so much flavor to our daily stories. We use just when something happened a very short time ago.
Right, like if I walk into the office and see you, I might say, I have just arrived. It means I got here 2 minutes ago.
Exactly. Or if we finish a meeting, I can say, we have just finished our work. It feels very immediate and real.
And what about already? I feel like I use that when I want to say an action is completely done, maybe even early.
Yes, spot on. Like, I have already paid the bill. You don't need to worry about it because it is done.
That is such a useful one for traveling or shopping. I have already bought the tickets. It saves so much time.
It really does. You know, talking about your day is one of the best ways to practice English with new friends.
Absolutely. People love to hear about simple, everyday moments. It makes you feel connected to someone.
Let's imagine a conversation between friends meeting for dinner after work. How would they start talking about their day?
Well, I would probably sit down and sigh and then say, I have had a very long day.
I know that feeling. And I would ask, really, what have you done today? That is such a natural question to ask.
Right, and then I can share small things. I can say, I have had 3 big meetings and I have written 5 reports.
That really sounds like a busy day. Notice how Rachel said, I have had. That is just the word have used as an action.
Yeah, I have had a good day, or I have had a busy morning. It is so simple, but Americans use it every single day.
Exactly. And then I could share my day too. I might say, well, I have had a quiet day. I have read a new book.
Oh, that sounds so nice and relaxing. And notice the pronunciation there, friends. The word is spelled R-E-A-D, but we pronounce it read here.
Good catch, Rachel. Yes, I have read. English pronunciation can be funny sometimes, but you will get used to it step by step.
You totally will. Just keep listening and practicing. Every time you try, your brain remembers a little bit more.
Let's talk about negative sentences too. Sometimes we want to talk about things we did not do today.
Oh yeah, that happens a lot. You just put the word not after have. Very simple.
Right. For example, if I am busy, I might say, I have not checked my phone today.
Or if I forgot my lunch at home, I can say, I have not eaten anything since breakfast. That is a very important one.
It sure is. We can also use the short form, haven't. It sounds very casual and natural in conversation.
Totally. I haven't seen that movie, or I haven't called my mom yet. We use short forms all the time when we talk.
Yes, it makes your speech sound super fluid. But remember, both ways are completely correct. Use what feels comfortable for you.
Exactly. The most important thing is to lose the fear of speaking. Don't worry about speaking too fast. Just be clear and friendly.
I love that advice. Well, we have covered so many great examples today. Let's do a quick recap for our friends.
That sounds great. So today we learned how to talk about our day using the present perfect pattern.
Right. We use have or has plus a finished action word, like I have walked or I have seen.
We use it to connect our past actions to right now, especially when the day or the week is not over yet.
And we learned some helpful little words to go with it. Words like just for very recent things and already for things that are done.
And don't forget yet for things that haven't happened up until now, like I haven't finished yet.
You all have done an amazing job listening and learning with us today. Be proud of your progress.
Yes, absolutely. Now let's put all of this together. It is time for our practice conversation.
In this short story, Rachel and I are roommates meeting in the kitchen after a long Wednesday. Just listen to how we talk about our day.
Hey, Charles, you look tired. Have you had a busy day?
Hey, Rachel. Oh, yeah, I have had a crazy day. I have just returned from the grocery store, and the traffic was terrible.
Oh no, I know, right? The streets are so busy today. But hey, I have already put away the dishes for you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Have you cooked dinner yet? I am starving.
Not yet. I haven't started cooking because I was waiting for you, but I have already washed the vegetables.
That is awesome. You know what? I'd have bought some fresh pasta from the store. Let's make that.
Oh, yum! That sounds perfect. I have not eaten pasta all week. I will boil the water right now.
Great. While you do that, I'll check the mail. I haven't looked at the mailbox yet today.
Sounds good. Oh, by the way, have you called your brother today? He left a message on the kitchen table earlier.
Oh, yes. I have already spoken to him. He just wanted to say hello. Everything is fine.
That is great news. Well, let's get this pasta cooking. We have had a long day and we deserve a great dinner.
And that is the end of our practice conversation. Notice how many times we used our special pattern without even thinking about it.
It felt so natural. We talked about shopping, cooking, cleaning, and calling family. All the normal things in a day.
Exactly. And you can do this too. Tonight, before you go to sleep, try to name 3 things you have done today in English.
That's a fantastic idea, Charles. Just whisper to yourself, I have learned English today. That's a huge accomplishment.
It really is. Remember, every little step brings you closer to your goals. Never give up and always believe in yourself.
We are so proud of you all. Thank you so much for joining us today on English on the Way. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Keep learning and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.